The HPC Scotsman Tubular Duplicate is a precision duplicator for standard tubular keys. It duplicates standard-sized tubular keys with spaces in any position and cuts of any depth. The machine is equipped with a plexiglass shield for added safety, a carbide cutter for smooth cutting, and a 3/32 Allen wrench for changing the cutter. Loosen the collet and insert the proper key blank. Make certain it sticks out approximately 3/8 of an inch. Then lightly hand tighten the collet. Don't over-tighten the collet as the key blank must move during indexing. Next, turn the cutter so one flute is positioned straight up and down. Push the original key on the shaft until it stops on the depth stop pin. The key blank should have recessed slightly further into the collet. Further tighten the collet to hold the blank in this position. Close the safety shield and switch the machine on. Turn and push the original key so the first cut fully engages the stop pin. The key blank will be cut to a corresponding depth. Slowly release the key, turn to the second space and push in until the cut fully engages the stop pin. The second cut has now been made on the blank. Continue this process until all 7 cuts have been made. Switch the machine off, raise the safety shield, loosen the collet, and remove the key. Remove any brass chips before trying the key in the lock. When called on to service a lockout on a tubular lock, use an HPC tubular pick to pick all 7 chambers at once. Then, a new key can be created from the HPC tubular pick. Place it on the shaft instead of an original key and cut a new key to the same pattern as the pick. The depth stop pin will read the depths of the feelers the same as the depths of a cut key. The HPC Scotsman Tubular Duplicate provides an economical key cutting solution for standard-sized tubular keys. Contact your authorized HPC distributor for more information.